Hey everyone, I'm Kaya with exercisesforinjuries.com. Welcome to today's video where I am going to give you 3 tips to improve your balance. So our first tip is practicing your balance regularly. So as our third tip, I'm going to give you an example of an exercise that you can do to work on your balance. So any of these kind of exercises that help improve your balance, or it's a class that kind of has some balance elements in it, making sure that you perform those on a regular basis. So some of these could just be things that, they don't have to be their own set workout. You might just do these when you're in the kitchen while you're waiting for something to cook or while you're watching a TV show. Just making sure you're consistent, because especially as we age, a lot of things happen physiologically where we begin to lose our balance, and of course that can take away from independence and the ability to do everyday tasks. So being really consistent with your balance work. Number 2, if you haven't already, is trying out a class like yoga, Tai Chi, Pilates, any of these types of classes that have a strong focus on balance, especially if you're not sure where to start. There's beginner versions of all of those types of programs where you can go and someone can help you begin to work on your balance in an environment with other people who are also there to work on the same thing. And of course, it's often just nicer and more motivating to do those types of things in a group setting. And then our third tip here is actually an exercise that you can do every day, anytime, to work on your balance, no matter where you are. And this is just a simple standing on one leg, but it's a great way to work on your balance, and there's lots of ways that we can modify it to make it accessible for wherever you're at, and then you can work your way into the more challenging versions. So beginning here, I'm going to step onto my right foot, slight bend in my right knee, and beginning here with some sort of support from either a wall, a chair, something nice and sturdy that's not going to move on you. And I'm going to start to pick my left toes off the ground. Now maybe for you that's just coming onto the left toes, maybe you can start to lift that foot all the way off the floor. So this is our first level here, using the wall for support. Next step would be taking the hand off the wall. And then the most challenging would be actually closing the eyes and seeing how well you can balance. All right. So when you're first starting out, just trying for like 5 seconds at a time there, whatever level you're at, taking a break, and then going back and maybe doing that 3 times. And then as you get a little bit better at your balance, working your way up to 20 to 30 seconds, balancing on that one leg, and then of course doing it on the other leg. So there's those 3 variations: the wall, and then off the wall with the eyes open, and then off the wall with the eyes closed, starting with about 5 seconds at a time, working your way up to 20 to 30 seconds. And you can do this every day to improve your balance. So if you're looking for more information on how to improve your balance, get nice and stable on your feet, you can check out the Balance Training Handbook. The link will be provided below. This is a program from injury specialist Rick Caselge from exercisesforinjuries.com. Comprehensive program to address any balance concerns that you might have and improve your balance. It's quick, easy, you can do it every day, it's accessible with lots of modifications, and of course it is safe and effective. So about 10 minutes to do the program every single day, with lots of levels to each exercise and modifications to find what works best for you. So check out that link below. It will take you to the product page where you can find out more information on how to improve your balance. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in another video. Take care.